This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show mature content on the Instagram app. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on Instagram. To hide or show mature content on Instagram, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower right-hand corner down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the What You See area. And in the What You See area, right down here, Content Preferences, tap on Content Preferences. And then the second thing down, Sensitive Content, tap on Sensitive Content. It says sensitive content doesn't go against our community guidelines, but refers to topics some people may not want to see. Choose how much sensitive content to see. Do you want to see less? It says you might see less sensitive content if you toggle that one on. Do you want standard? You might see some sensitive content. Do you want to see more? You might see more sensitive content. Down below that it says this affects search results as well as recommended content in Explorer, Reels, feeds, and hashtag pages. This also affects comments you see on other people's posts. But that is how to hide or show sensitive content on Instagram. Thanks for watching.